Hello everyone, and today we're going to be making chicken shashlik but in my style. So we're going to start off by taking 3 to 4 medium-sized chicken breasts, boneless obviously, cut up into cubes, and we're going to marinate this. After marinating, you want to let this sit for about 1 hour and then get started on the rest of your process. Then we took a pot and filled it with water, and then we take 4 large tomatoes and cut slits like this. This just makes it easier for them to peel. Then we're going to boil them for a couple of minutes until you see the skin start to peel off. Once that starts to happen, you're going to put them in an ice bath. So this is very cold water, and put some ice in it and then put the tomatoes in there. This way the skin will come off a lot easier. As you can see here, the skin is just sliding off. It should be a very simple process. Here you can see I cut up the tomatoes and we're going to blend these. So you want these to be nice and smooth. Do not add any water because obviously we boiled these, so that's enough. We don't need to add any water. As you can see, it turns into a juice. Here I have a pot on high flame and I will be adding in a drizzle of olive oil and add in the chicken that we marinated before. You want to constantly mix this up so that it does not stick to the pan. As you can see here, we're mixing it and the chicken does release its own water. So we're going to mix it very well and add in some water if necessary so the chicken can cook thoroughly. You don't want it to be raw. So here we're going to be adding about 1 onion, half a bell pepper, and 1/4 of a tomato. This adds beautiful color and some differentiation in taste and texture. Add less or more according to what you like. You can take this out, and in the same pot we are going to be adding in about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and a tablespoon of olive oil. Then we're going to add the tomato paste that we have prepared, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, about 3 tablespoons of ketchup. You can do it less or more according to taste, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and about 1 teaspoon of vinegar. And add more ketchup if you're making this for younger kids. So we're going to mix this up, and we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, you can see, and 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. About 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Here I added 1 chicken cube and about 1 spoonful of corn flour and some water. And you can see here we're going to add this into our mixture, and this will help thicken it up and add some more flavor. Then we're going to add back the chicken and vegetables that we cooked, and we're going to let this simmer on a low flame. You can see here it has cooked and thickened completely. We're going to garnish with some spring onion, and you can see it is beautiful and ready to enjoy.